Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you colloidal and its property, chapter 2. First thing in our mind, what is colloidal? Colloidal is a mixture which the substance are regularly suspended in a liquid, in a fluid. Means some particles, some substance are mixture in which that substance are regularly suspended in a fluid. Means if you some ash put on a glass, then that ash is move here and there. That ash is a suspended, means that is hanged on liquid. That is name of collider. If you watch the sunlight passing through a hole in a dark room, then you watch of that sunlight beam, some dust particle are moving here and there. There that types of situation that is seen of floating of that particles, that substance in a particular light of beam, that is name of collider. Means mixture of which in a solution, taken a glass of water, if you mixed a milk, that is mixed together, that is colloidal is a heterogeneous, means different particles are mixed together. If you some particles are mixed in a water and then a passing through a light in that solution, then particles are suspended here and there. This types of, that is the water in a glass taken, that water taken in a glass. Now some particles, these types of particle hang when light is passing through this. The particle hang means suspended on heterogeneous mixture. So that is the particle are mixed in a water, that is water solution, and taken mix of that particles, and that is floating on that mixture. So that is name of suspended, means hanged on that particle in liquid. So that name is regularly suspended on the water, that is the or any solution, that is the name of collider. A colloid is a very tiny and a small material that is separated but uniformly all through another substance freely move in the water in that solution. Now I give an example, a beam of light passing through a dark room, then you watch the dust particle are moved in that light of beam. You seen the naked eye that suspended dust is moving here and there in that beam of light. You seen of these things are happen in the passing through a hole through a light and dust particle moving here and there. The path of light of a beam becomes visible because colloidal particles are big enough to scatter light falling on them in all directions. So that particle, hang and suspended particle are moving here and there in that beam of light. Now the scattering of light by colloidal particle is known as Tyndall effect. That is known as Tyndall effect. When a scattering of light by colloidal particles is known as the Tyndall effect, means that particles passing through the light and a scattering through the colloidal particles, so that name is Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect can also be observed when a fine beam of light enter a room through a small hole. This happens due to the scattering of light by the particle of dust and a smoke in the air. Means the beam of light passing through and dust particle is hang in that air and passing through light that is seen by naked eye, and a smoke is passing through, and then light is comes, then also hang in this beam of light and you watch the naked eye. That is the name of Tyndall effect. Now again its property. Mixture of water and milk, mixture of water with milk, that is an example of the colloidal. Sunlight passes through the canopy area, means forest side, a dense forest. When the filtration of air, these types that comes inside, then through the dust particle is suspended on that of beam of light passing through the tiny droplets of water, which mixed content which acts as a particle of colloidal dispersed in air. You watch in bubbles in the rainy season, that's bubble inside the dust particle is moving upper layer. That is the name of Tyndall effect. Now its property, that property is given the 4 properties. That is the heterogeneous mixture, means colloid is a heterogeneous mixture, means two different particles, substance are mixed together. That is the name of heterogeneous. Now second point is seen by naked eye when passing through a beam light and suspended dust particle in that beam, you seen by the naked eye. Now third point, collide a beam of light passing the path is visible. You watch that path of light, that is you visible, means your front of eye, that events is happen. Now fourth point, light path is visible and quite stable, and that light is stable, not moving here and there. That is stable to passing through a hole, that is comes to stable. Now fifth point is they cannot be separated from the mixture. So that hang particle you have not separated of this mixture. So that is its property. Okay, thank you.